Hey everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. And now again, remember at Chef Dawg, we review Costco food. We taste it at the end, then we let you know what we think. Today, we are doing the chicken Alfredo from Costco. You just heat it up. Has, I believe that's the chicken from the rotisserie chicken. I'm pretty sure it is. With some noodles and some Alfredo sauce, some parsley, Parmesan cheese. There you go. But that's a staple there at Costco, right? You see this almost every time you go there. We have not reviewed it, so we're gonna give it a shot. Now it looks delicious, and I'm hoping it's gonna be a good one. I think it will be. So, these are the instructions. We preheat the oven to 400. You'll take this off, take some tin foil, cover it, and it says to cook it for 50 to 60 minutes. Again, at 400. Oh, put it on a cooking sheet. I'm gonna put this in for 60 minutes before I even check it the first time, even though it says maybe 50. I like to make sure it's done. Okay, there you go. 400, preset it at 60 minutes. There you go. So, I'll be back in about 60 minutes and we'll let you know if it's done or not. Been in there an hour, actually a little bit more than an hour. Let's check this out. I'm hoping it's done, it better be. It looks to me like we are done. I'm gonna say it probably is perfect. The look in there, it's nice and steamy, and it looks like to me it's cooked all the way through. Oh yeah, whew, that's hot. So 60 minutes was perfect. Now we're gonna try this out and see. Already had a little bit of it, tasted good. Try this out, see how this compares to some restaurants that we enjoy. Fettuccine, what do you think? You like it?
I mean, it's alright.
It's alright? Okay.
I mean, it's not no Olive Garden.
No Olive Garden? And I'm gonna agree with you there. Brecklin? So you would eat it, but it's not like your favorite?
It's not like your favorite Olive Garden.
Oh, dude.
Oh, you
just did that for...
I hate the flavor.
She did that for drama.
I hate the flavor.
You hate the flavor.
Well, this is dinner tonight.
So...
I'm not.
Yeah, you're eating
I mean, I'll eat it, but
I'll eat it.
But I probably wouldn't do it again.
But I probably wouldn't do it again. Interesting.
No.
So for $16, you don't think this is worth a meal that we would ever have again as a family?
I'll just get something else.
Are you for real?
I mean,
so you're not even like this with it. You're kind of a this.
I mean, it's good, but I just don't, it's like one of those meals that I just don't think I would really go back and get.
I'm gonna give it a little bit more credit than her. I think it's good. The chicken really good. The Alfredo sauce, I mean, it's your typical Alfredo sauce.
Out of the jar.
Shauna, she says out of the jar. I'm gonna give it close to I'm gonna say like a 6.5. I thought it would be a little bit better than it, because it looks delicious, but it did dry it out a little bit. Maybe that's just because I cooked it more than I should have. I like it, I would prefer to overcook than undercook. So the sides are a little bit crusty. There you go. There's our review. I liked it. But again, about a 6.5. Shauna's gonna give it about a 4. And Brecklin, I don't know, show Brecklin. She doesn't even know what. What do you want there, Brek? What do you give it, honey? No, really?
Well, you're gonna eat it tonight.
I hate it. It's disgusting.
It's disgusting. It's not that bad, folks. All right, well anyways, there you go. There's our review on the chicken fettuccine from Costco. Thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Have a good one.